Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how you can download the data of share prices for any company for any time period. So the website I use is Yahoo Finance. So let's open that website. So you go to this website. Now you have to search the name of the company in the search bar. Let's say I want to download the share prices of Reliance Industries. So I type in Reliance. I see Reliance and I click. If you scroll down, here you can see the historical data. You have to click this. So you have the data here. But you can also set this data according to your need from these three options. The first is time period. So if you want the past 1 day data, so you have to click this. 5 days, 3 months, 6 months, or even 5 years data you can get from this website. Let's say I want to have the share prices of the last 5 years. So I click 5 years, and if you can also set the date from which to which you want to see the share prices of the company. So if I click 5 years, it has automatically taken the 5 years from today. And the frequency, you can download the data on daily format or weekly format or even monthly format. So let's say I want the data in monthly format. I click apply. Now I have from 1st May, that is the month May, then April. Now I have this data for 5 years from 15 to 1st May 2020. Now if you want to download this data in an Excel file, you just have to click this download button. And an Excel file will be downloaded. You can open the file. Here you can see I have all the data for the last 5 years. Now you can do whatever analysis you want to do with this. You have the open, high, low, close, adjusted close, and even the volume with you in an Excel file. You can also download the share prices from NSE website. Let's open this. Let's type in our company name. You have historical data here. Now why I recommend Yahoo Finance is because the maximum time period here you can see is only 3 months, and even if you want more than 3 months you can go here, but here you will see if I put in a time period of more than, let's say, a year, let me put the symbol here. So it is saying that please select data range not more than 365 days. So you will have to select a time period not more than a year. So if you want to download the data for more than a year, you have to download it in parts. Like if you want 17 to 2020 data, you have to download the 17 to 18 data separately, then 18 to 19 data separately, and then you can download the data. But here you get the 5 years data in one go. So why would you use this website is that you get more points here than the Yahoo Finance. Here I have only open, high, low, close, and adjusted close and volume, but here you also get the LTP, which is the last traded price, and also the turnover. So if you want these two things to be included in your data, then you can use NSE. Otherwise, I would recommend you to use this website because it's very easy to download the data from this website. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment and share your views. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos.